All right, today we are going to be using our W chart and the colored tabs for an expository text. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this text, our expository text. What is the title?
The title is The Big Star.
Okay, what do you see in the picture?
I see a sun.
Okay, what do you know about the sun?
That it is hot and it gives us light and it gives us heat.
Okay. All right. Okay. So in order to get the information from our expository text, we are going to use our W chart. So let's look at our W chart. Okay. So the red is the
Who?
Okay, which tells us the
Characters.
Okay. The green is the
Where?
which tells us the
Place.
Okay. The blue is the
When?
which tells us the time. Okay. All right. The purple is the
What?
which in a narrative story, it tells us the problem, right? What the problem is. Okay. In an expository text, it tells us the topic or the idea. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and look at our yellow. Okay. Yellow means why. And it tells us what's in the narrative stories. Why it is a problem, right? And an expository text is going to tell us other facts or details that are not who, where, when, or facts, okay? All right, so let's look down at the bottom. The orange is the
how.
Okay, and in a narrative story, it tells us how the problem was solved. But in an expository passage, it's going to tell us we've changed subjects or topics, okay? All right, so after reviewing our tabs, we're going to be using our tabs, our W chart and our tabs. We are going to be using our tabs on our expository text just like we do for our narrative stories. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is tab our questions. So put that right in front of your story in front of you there. Okay. All right. So in class, if you read a passage, sometimes maybe your teacher has had you read the questions first. Has that happened?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do right here, okay? All right, so I'm going to read the questions, and then we're going to determine which tab best applies to the question. So let's look at number 1. What is the story about? Okay. Would we use a who, a where, a when, or the yellow, which is other facts?
You would use the what.
All right, so let's go ahead and get that tab. And go ahead and put a 1 on there. And then put that right next to question number 1. All right, let's look at number 2. How long has the sun been shining?
That would be the
Okay, well, we know we've had how on here, and our orange says how, but this is not going to be how we saw the problem, right? Or the change of topic. This is going to be a fact we are asking information about, okay? So does it answer the who, where, when, or another fact?
It answers another fact.
All right, so let's go ahead and get that yellow. And you're going to put number 2 on there. All right, let's go ahead and look at question number 3. What is the sun? Okay, does that answer who, where, when, or another fact?
That answers the what.
Okay. All right, that answers the what's. Okay. All right, so So let's go ahead and put number 3 there. Sorry. Go ahead and put 3 on there. Okay, I'm going to stop because I'm doing this wrong. Because I'm not supposed to use purple at all. I'm supposed to use who, where, when. So these are supposed to be other facts. These are supposed to be yellow.
This is so confusing.
Well, it's because I'm doing it for the first time. So the purple and the orange are for up here.
Wait, do you know how to use this?
Hold on. Let me see her tabs on here.